Hello everyone, welcome to the Universal Classroom. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn some powerful text functions of Excel and we will start it with left function. So left is a function that allows us to extract the number of characters from the left side of any text value in any cell. For example, there is employee ID here. If you want to extract for the first three characters like E02, then for that we will use the left function and it will be is equal to left, start the bracket, open the function argument. First we have to select the text out of which we want to extract. Select this one. Now second argument is number of characters that we need. Like if we need 2, we will enter 2 here. If we need 3, we will enter 3 here. As we need 2, we will enter 2 and click OK. And in the same way, if we want to extract the last two characters that are on the right side in this cell, we will use the right function here. That will be equal to right bracket start. First select the text out of which you want to extract the values or characters, then comma, and then number of characters that you want. Like if we need 2, we will enter 2 and then bracket close. Now simply drag this formula down and it's done. And if you want to extract the two middle characters, like in this case we have 23 in middle and in this one we have 41 in the middle. So for that we will use the mid function. A is equal to mid, select it using the tab key, open the function argument. First argument is text. We have to select the text out of which we are going to extract the middle characters. Select this. Now second argument is starting number. It means from which position you want to start the extraction. Like 2 is at the third place, so we will simply enter 3 here. Now third argument is number of characters that you want to extract. As we are going to extract only 2 characters, so we will enter 2 here and click OK. And it's done. And if you want to find out the number of characters in any cell, like how many characters are in this cell, how many in this one, how many in this one, so for that we will use the length function. That will be is equal to len. Len is the short form of length. Select it using the tab key and simply select the cell and close the bracket. So this employee ID has 6 characters. Drag this down and it's done. And there is one other function here, that is search function. It is some kind similar to the find function also, but search function only searches inside the value, inside a cell. Like if you want to search at what place the numeric 2 is there in this employee ID, we will use the search function. That will be equal to search. First we have to enter the text that we want to search. Let me just open the function argument to understand it better. What we are going to find? We are going to find 2 in this cell. Just enter 2 here. Now second argument is within text. In which text you are going to find out this number 2? That is this one. And just click OK. So 2 is at the number 3 in this cell. And in this cell it is at the third place. Same for this one. And in this cell it is at the 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6th character is number 2. You can find out these functions inside the formula tab and under the text. Here you can find out the length, left, mid, search. Now if you want to split the full name into first name and second name, how will we do it? As we have the space available here between, like in Emily Davis, we have the space between Emily and Davis, and space is working here as a separator or delimiter. So to split this, let me just copy paste it down here. First, select the data that you want to split. Go to the data tab. In data tab, you will find the text to column option here. Click on that. There are two options on the basis of which we can split the text. First one is delimiter. As we have space here, so we will use the delimited ones as space is working as a delimiter here. And the second type is fixed width. It means if you will choose this one and specify, like, if you need 7 characters in one column, and after 7, next 7 will go to second column, and next 7 will go to third column. So we will continue with the delimiter. Click on next. Now what we have here as a delimiter, we have space. Click on check mark the space, and the data preview will be here. It will split the data into this type. Now click on next. We will continue with the journal as we don't have a specific format like text or date or any specific format. We are not using that. So just click on finish, and this is split it into 3 columns because we have 3 names here: Penelope, Jordan, Poe. Let me just name it as first, middle, last. Now if we want to merge all these cell texts like this one, then we can use the Textjoin function here. That's Textjoin, and it will start with equal to Textjoin, this one, select it using the tab key. Let me just open the function argument here. First we have to provide the delimiter, like if we want space like this one, then simply use double quote space double quote, and if you need any specific character like slash, star, anything like that, just simply enter that thing in this space. Now second argument is ignore empty. Yes, we want to ignore the empty, and if you will not type anything here like true or false, then it will go with the default, that will be ignore. Now we have to select the text. We can select 252 text at a time, as we are going to select these 3 columns only: A, B and C. Just simply select this. In text 2 select this, and in text 3 select this and click OK, or you can simply select all of the 3 cells in single selection. Click OK, and it's here. We have 2 other ways to do this. If you are not able to find the Textjoin function inside your Excel, then you can use the concatenate function also. That will be equal to concatenate this one. Now we have to select the first text, this one, comma. Let me just open the function argument here. In the first text we have selected this cell. In second text, as we need the space between first name and second name, then we will use double quote space double quote. And in text 3 we will select this one. In text 4 again double quote space double quote, and in text 5 this one, and click OK, and just drag this formula down, and all cells text are merged now. And if you are using the older versions of Excel, you may not be able to find concatenate function also. So in that case, we will use the syntax type joining, and that will be is equal to, we have to select the first cell. Now use the and sign here, and after that end we will use double quote, then space, double quote, again and sign, and then we will select the second cell, again and sign, double quote, space, double quote, then and sign, and then the third cell value, and click enter, and it's done. I hope you find the video helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.